Hey art lovers! If you're into textured mixed media art that pops off the canvas, you've got to check out Mixed Media Art by Nadia Khan. She also runs hands-on workshops that are beginner-friendly and super fun, where you get to create textured canvas art that's totally your own. Whether you're local to Johannesburg or just vibing online, there's something for everyone. This isn't your typical painting. Nadia brings life to her canvases using modeling paste, scrapers, and all kinds of mixed media magic. It's bold, it's expressive, and it's honestly therapeutic. You can even order bespoke canvas art made just for you. How cool is that? So if you're ready to level up your wall game or explore your creative side, give Mixed Media Art by Nadia Khan a follow. Her link is in the bio, or you can check out her full portfolio on Linktree. Just search Mixed Media Art by Nadia Khan. Whether you're looking for a unique art piece, a creative outlet, or just a chance to try something new, Mixed Media Art by Nadia Khan is where it's at. Find out more on joburgetc.com.